Hello everyone, welcome to this video series of Python GUI application using TKINTER. So in this video series we will build this handover management tool using Python TKINTER and Linux as a backend server. So let's start with the dependencies. The first dependency is Python itself, obviously. So to download Python, head over to python.org and click on download Python. So you are free to choose any Python version, click on download and it will download one exe file and then just do next and install it. Installation is pretty much same like every other application. Next we need to download putty. So head over to putty.org, then click on download putty, then select the installer based on your system architecture and install it. Next we'll install Ubuntu. Select this one, Ubuntu 22.04.3 LTS. So if you have VMware or VirtualBox installed on your system and you are having a virtual Linux system, then you no need to install this Ubuntu. So before installing it, we need to enable Windows subsystem for Linux. To do so, open control panel, click on uninstall a program, then click on turn Windows features on or off. Scroll down, make sure this option is checked, then click OK and reboot your system. Okay, after that click on install. Okay, now click on open. Now put a username. I'll put my name, then password. Re-enter your password. So our system is ready. Now we need to make sure of two things. One is Python, another one is SSH service. To check Python, type Python, double tap, see all the Python executables. See here Python 3, put 3, then version. So here Python 3 is installed. That's fine. Now let's check SSH service. Type sudo service SSH status. See, nothing is running. So we need to install it. To install it, type sudo apt install open SSH server. Enter. Now it may ask you for the confirmation. In that case, just press Y and enter. Okay, it installed. Let's again check the service status. See, it's running. Still we need to restart this. So to restart it, type sudo etc init.d ssh restart. Enter. See, it restarted. Now this part is done. Now we need to get IP address of this server. Type IP space addr. It will list you all the available interfaces. See, ETH0, ETH1, ETH2. So the naming convention will be same in your system also. This is the IP address of ETH1. This is the IP address of ETH2. Now we can use any one of them. Now let me copy this IP address. Select it, Ctrl C. Now open command prompt. Now type SSH, your username, @ the IP address. Hit enter. So it will ask you for the fingerprint confirmation. Type yes, enter. Next it will ask you for the password. Enter it, enter. See, we have successfully connected, right? UNMIFNA. See, okay. Now we can close everything And guys, I will highly recommend you to use Visual Studio Code, as in the whole video series I will use this code editor, so it will be easy to follow up. I will put this images file in the video description in a zip format. Please download it and unzip it. Then create a new directory and put this unzipped image file in that directory and open that directory in the Visual Studio Code. So guys, see here, this is my directory name, Handover management tool, and in this directory I just have this images folder. Okay, and this images folder is containing all the required images in our project. Okay, now here create a new file, name it as main.py. Now let's create a empty window. Type import tkinter as tk from tkinter import all. Now if name equals to main, then what we'll do is window equals to tk dot tk, then window dot title, we'll put ho helper, our application name. You can put anything you want. Now window dot geometry will take 1250 into 620 dot max size 1250 comma 620. Now window to launch it, window dot main loop, right? Let's execute it. See, it's launched. This is our title I put. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. In the next video we'll continue building this application, we'll add more features and all. So we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.